Guys, if I'm going to show you how you can create your own designs, okay, by just uploading your designs in this website, and you are getting paid $24 per design that you have created. You can see, guys, people have also listed their own designs and they are earning a good amount of money by just uploading their designs. No investment needed, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, absolutely free of cost. What could you say, guys? Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself create your own store, online store, free of cost, okay, with no investment, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Okay, just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you can yourself earn money online by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can earn money online by just selling your own design. Guys, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you are creating amazing designs on these on this store. So let us first see, because lots of my subscribers have said that, sir, please do give us detail about the site, that how much people are actually visiting on this site. So I just show you the live proof, guys, live proof that will, you know, generate some insights within you that you can also earn money online by this website, and it's just a good passive income, guys. Okay, I just show you step by step, guys. This is a website, cafepress.com. You can find the link in the description box, and I'll show you the link, guys, live proof. Okay, it's cafepress. cafepress.com. okay, you can see, guys, cafepress.com. okay, I just click on this cafepress.com and you can see, guys, in the United States it's ranked 312, and actually the visitors are 3 million, guys. You can see approximately 3 million visitors. So there is a great probability that your designs are getting selected on this website and people are actually shop from your store. Okay, so absolutely free of cost, guys, not even a single penny from your pocket. You just need to create designs. I just show you some policies of this website, guys. I just show you, you can see that, guys, if I want to start selling, just click on this thing, and if I want to start selling my designs, and you can see, guys, earning for the product sold. Okay, what is the earning? And just click on this shop pricing policy. So you can see, guys, you can see that the you should read these policies, and you are getting revenue as per your sales. Okay, absolutely free of cost, just some dollars this website is taking, and everything is in your pocket. You can see, guys, how much base price it will select. You can see for the base price, whatever you are designing, guys, whatever you are designing, if you are designing men footwear shirts, then the base price is $24. Okay, so the base price is already selected, just you need to create designs, and that's it, guys. We do not do any kind of you know, marketing on this website. This website is eventually doing marketing for you. Okay, you just need to create designs and that's it. Okay, just absolutely free. So you are in this website, guys. Okay, you are in this website. Let's start designing. Okay, let's start designing. You just click on this. You can see, guys, the design your own. Okay, just click on this and you are redirected to this page, guys. Okay, so you just need to start designing. Okay, just click on this start designing. Okay, and you can see, guys, it's absolutely free of cost. Okay, you just need to design your own material. You can see this is my material that I have designed. Okay, you just need to click and drag some t-shirt. So I will show you exactly how you can do it. Okay, you just need to first join this create your own profile, and you just need to register on this website. Okay, just click on this sign up now. Okay, if you do not have account, so you just need to add, you can see, guys, you just need to sign up, upload your design and make money online. Not even a single penny you need to spend on this website. So I just quickly add my email address over there and just start earning. Okay, just I just need to type my email ID. Okay, Okay guys, confirm your email ID and just set up the password. Okay, and confirm your password. Okay, set your date of birth. You can select your date of birth and just click on this join now. That's simple. And you can see guys, your dashboard is ready. Simple. You can see right now my sales and earning is 0. Okay, I'll show you how to create your own design, so just be patient and I'll show you step by step. Okay, so for that guys, you just need to come up in this top right corner and you can see that you can visit your own profile. Okay, just click on this my design. So I don't have design right now. Okay, so I just need to add it. Okay, so just click on this add designs. That's simple. Okay, add design and you need to browse your design. Okay, I just show you one design that I have created, and don't worry guys, if you do not know how to create your own design, I'll show you step by step how you can do it on your own. Okay, I just take this design guys. Okay, I just take this design. I just like this design. Okay, it is just uploaded. Okay, I just need to add some name and tags to this. Okay, just I need to add this. So this is my design guys. Okay, I just need to add a name. Okay, I can add whatever you need. Design 1. I just choose design 1. Okay, just design 1. I just give some name to this. You can give description for this. It is a beautiful design. Okay, you can give a best description guys. Okay, I just show you what actually it takes. Okay, just give some description and the most important things guys, tags. Okay, what are the tags, because it is very important for you to create tags, because guys people from different categories are doing the shopping. So I can select comedy. Okay, I can select more tags and what do we say that, funny. Okay, I can select some tags like picture. Okay, just have some tags and which will create search engine optimization, make it more search engine optimization, dramatic. Okay, so these are certain keywords that I have placed, and just click on this save one design. Okay, I just click on this thing and you can see guys my design is ready. Okay, so you just click on this design, and you can see guys, you can even edit your description and your tags as well here. Okay, so you can see guys this website has eventually created some of the products for us. You can see guys, you can edit it also. Okay, you can edit it. We have seen that how we can edit it. Okay, you can add some more fit. Okay, you can see guys, fit the scale up, down, would it be black or white or transparent. Okay, based upon that you can select. Okay, just click on this save and you can edit your own design. Okay, and you can even preview your design as well. Okay guys, you can see you can even preview your design. Okay, so that's simple guys, it's very absolutely simple. And if you are not getting some designs guys, you can add more products. Okay, if you want this design on the kids wear, okay, if this want this design on kids wear, just click on this add product. Okay, so in the kids section you can select whatever t-shirt or hoodie you need to design. I just click on this hoodie. Okay, just click on this thing and I want this design to be on that part. Okay, you can see guys. Okay, I just click on this create selected product and it will eventually added on my collection. You can see guys, you can see it can eventually edit on my collection. Okay, so this is how, and there are lots and lots of designs guys. There are A to Z on the mugs, on the perfumes that you can create. If there is no stationery products, you can add your own products as well. Okay, and you can sell it online on the pads. Okay, on the puzzles. Okay, on there are other kinds of cards as well. Okay, this card as well. Okay, just click on this select the products, and it is eventually done it for you. Okay guys, you can see this is our product, this is that we have selected. So live example I have shown you guys. Now I'll show you guys how to get the money from this website. Okay, I just show you, just click on this and just click on this report. Okay, just click on this report and it is redirected to this page. So based upon the sales guys, so guys, you need to have a PayPal account within you. So if you do not have a PayPal account with yourself, then it would be difficult for you to get the transaction, because this website is doing the transaction on PayPal. So you should have a PayPal account with yourself, and for which you can get the money from the users who are doing the payment on this, and you are getting that transaction. So I just click on this transaction. You can see guys, I just click on this transaction, and you can see guys, the preferred payment is this PayPal. Okay, if I just want to export it, okay guys, if I just want to export it, I just click on this export and it's already done. So you might ask me a question that, sir, how to set up our PayPal account? So in the account section you can see, and pay information, you just need to click on this pay information. Okay, and you can select, you can do it via PayPal method. Okay, you just need to select this option. You just need to enter your email address twice. Okay, and the minimum payout is $25 guys. Okay, you can do it, and automatically in your PayPal account, minimum transaction, whenever the threshold of $25 is reached, okay, it is automatically transacted into your PayPal account, and you can redeem your amount from that. Okay, just simple steps guys. You just need to enter your name, address, city, postal code, okay, mobile phone number and your country, and that's simple guys. That's easy way. Okay, you do not have to do anything guys, just simple steps you need to follow, and you can create a good type of designs, and you can create good type of designs on this website. You just need to create some designs. And guys, now for those who do not know anything about designs, so I just prefer you to come up in Google. Okay, just come up in Google and just type, let us suppose I love puppies. Okay, puppy design. Okay, just click on this puppy design. Okay, you just click on this image. Okay guys, you can see there are lots of designs, but guys, what we want, just come up in this tools button. Okay, and just click on the usage rights, and it should be labeled for reuse, so that guys, no copyright issue should be there. Okay, and you can select it and download it, and you can see guys, this is a puppy that we want to sell. Okay, just click on this save image as. Okay, and just save it, and you can create a design for this. Okay, puppies, and there are hundreds and hundreds of brands who are doing. You can see guys, the partners are Pepsi, Marvels. Okay, so have a look on these kind of brands who are actually doing the partners with this company. Okay, and people I have shown you that guys, 3 million plus visitors are there on this website. So there are chances that you are receiving their payment. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. Okay, it's absolutely fine guys, and people are actually earning a good amount of money by just uploading their designs, and that's it. So guys, if you like these type of videos, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend. Okay, no investment that you need. If you just like these videos, just write down in the comment section whatever skill you are having, and you want online work from home, online jobs for your profile, for your niche. Just write down in the comment section, and just do subscribe to my channel guys. There is always a motivation to give you best content, so that you can also earn money online in worldwide. Okay, and you do not have to spend a single penny from your pocket, and just work from home job that you can do. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video.